Hello everyone, let's make beautiful toy using this sponge. Here we are going to tie the sponge from top, bottom and center using rubber band. Give it shape like this. Look, your teddy bear is ready. Let's make these cute little bunny bags. You can put different things inside. As you can see, we're going to fold the paper, draw the shape and cut it further. Now draw the eyes using black marker. Here we are going to fold it, flip it like this. Now we are going to tuck all of them together. You can see the holes. Put the ears inside and look, these are ready. Let's make these jumping frog craft. So we are going to take green craft paper, fold it into half and further make multiple folds. Flip it over, folding it from both the sides like we're doing here in this video. Now make two triangular shape, fold it further from top and bottom. After this we're going to flip it over and tuck the paper inside. Fold it 2 times and paste the eyes of the frog. Look, these are ready. Look at this fun toy. Let's make it at home. I'm sure kids gonna love it. So we're going to fold this yellow craft paper, draw a circle. You can take this tape for the shape. Now we're going to make a hole at the center. We're going to put the balloon between it. Here we're going to paste the sellotape on the top of it and cut the shape. Now we're going to put the balloon like this and cover it from the sides using the tape. You can squeeze it and look, your fun toy is ready. Let's make these cute lollipop bunny. So we're going to draw the shape of the bunny on the craft paper, draw the eyes using marker and then cut the shape using scissors. Here we're going to use the lollipop and put it inside like this. Paste it from the top and look, these are ready. Look at this cute little moving worm craft. Let's make it. So we are going to fold this green craft paper. You can see the measurement and make multiple cut from the center. Now fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. We are going to use 2 bamboo sticks and put it on both the sides. Look, this is ready. You can play it with your kids. Let's make these colorful birds using yarn. So we're going to take colorful yarn, roll it around the cardboard piece, cut each one of them and start tying knot. Look how we're doing here in this video. Now we're going to put this paper. You can use tissue paper, crumple it and make a ball. Now give it shape, wrap the yarn around it and further tie knot. Cut it like this, paste googly eyes and look, your birds are ready. These are perfect decorative pieces. Here we're going to make a fun craft. Take transparent gloves and we're going to make the duck shape. Cut the feathers like this and paste all of them on the top of it. You can use this paper cup and tie the glove on the top of it. Make a hole, blow it and look, it is ready. Here we are going to make cute little bunnies. So cut these strips and then paste all of them together. Make circles like we're doing here in this video. You can see the measurement on the screen. Similarly, we're going to make the head of the bunny and the ears as well. Paste all of them together. Look how cute these are looking. Here we are going to make multiple cut on this blue craft paper and draw rings using sketch pen. After this we are going to roll it like this using a marker. We are going to make colorful octopus. Paste 2 big eyes and look, these are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.